Hey guys, welcome back to The Travels. In the last episode we left off in Carnarvon in the Space and Technology Museum. By that time I had already done quite a bit of kilometers in Western Australia. It took me about 4 weeks to get from the border of South Australia and Western Australia to Carnarvon, and I had a pretty good time driving there. After Carnarvon we drove to Coral Bay, which is a really awesome place for snorkeling. We had a lot of nice snorkeling over there, but after that we went to Exmouth and took a whale shark snorkeling tour. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to the video, and I hope you enjoy. So what you just saw was filming Coral Bay, and a couple of clips were a little bit from the south, from Five Finger Reef. As you see, it's a really nice snorkeling around there. So after we did that, we went on to Exmouth. Wow!
To go for a swim. To see, what do we want to see today?
Should have been videoing.
Starfish. A starfish. Turtle. Dugong. Oh. Wow shark.
Elephant.
So first things first, guys, when you're getting in with a whale shark or going in for a morning snorkel, the day pretty much runs the same. Basically, you just grab your party pack, mask, snorkel, fins. Alana's been spinning in this spray bottle all night just to make sure that your masks don't fog up this morning. So give it a spray, swish it around, and give it a dunk in the fresh water provided. Now, guys, you just place that over your head, like so. Make sure there's no hair in the seal, and make sure the strap is nice and high on your temple. For those of you with facial hair, we do have Vaseline. That'll just help your seal, otherwise you will find it will leak, okay? Now guys, the next step, I might say it twice, when we get ready on the back deck, but we actually sit down to put our fins on. So, you can say it again, sit down to put your fins on, alright? No walking in your fins today. Great. Now, you might wonder, how do we then get onto the marlin board? A graceful bum shuffle, like Alana's going to show you, all the way over to the marlin board, grab onto the poles, pull yourself up and step down like so. Amazing. Sometimes, guys, we have you on the marlin board while we are travelling, all of you grouping up on the marlin board. There are poles here provided, so please hold on to them. Okay? Great. Now getting back on, you can turn around backwards and step up like so. She then sits down, shuffles all the way to the back before taking her fins off. Great. That's just the most safest, efficient way to get you guys all on board, okay? Thank you.
I definitely recommend visiting this part of Western Australia because it's just so beautiful, and you can do so much cool snorkeling because Ningaloo Reef is really close by to the beach, and also you can book tours to do whale watching or whale shark snorkeling. So these are definitely worth and should be in your bucket list. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, see you next time.